BabyBus.
Woohoo! Ah! Huh? Oh no! Hey! No! The vending machine is broken! What am I gonna do? Whoa! Someone's coming! Oh no, it's Whiskers!
I need a battery for my toy. Where can I buy it? It's a vending machine. I'll have a battery.
He needs a battery. What am I going to do? I got it.
Wow! Oh, I got a battery!
Huh? I almost got caught. Huh? Oh no! Rudolph? Please don't come here! Don't come here!
There's a vending machine. I want to buy soda.
Oh no, there's no soda.
What's going on? Why does it take so long?
Oh, I have an idea. Hey. Oh, yeah! I am just too smart.
I want to buy something else.
He wants to buy another one? No matter what he buys, I'm gonna find a way.
I want to get an apple. Someone had a bite of this apple. What's going on?
Oh no. I have an idea.
It's a new apple? Oh, yeah! The vending machine automatically changes its goods. Miumiu, come over here! Look at this magical vending machine!
Magical vending machine? Really? I want to try it.
Oh no, Miumiu's really smart. How am I not going to get caught?
I'll have lemon juice.
Lemon juice? Which one's lemon juice? Let me try this one.
No, this is not lemon juice. Wow, it really changes things.
You see? I told you.
No, not this one. Okay, then forget about lemon juice. I'll have milk.
Huh? Milk? I got it! Oh, please work this time.
Kiki, come out. I know it's you.
Miu Miu, I broke the vending machine.
You did? Look, it's not broken. It's just unplugged.
BabyBus vending machine.
Huh? It really is.
Let me try.
Hurry! I can't hold it any longer!
Don't give up. I'm almost there. A bit right. Right, to the right. Do you understand left and right? Sorry, so sorry. We'll get your egg back right now. Yeah? Got it! Huh? It's all your fault!
Huh? What's this? Wow! A lucky egg! This must be a present for me! Wow, how beautiful!
The egg is on top of the tree. What should we do?
Someone's coming! Get down!
Oh. Wow! You did a good job. Keep hanging the lights. Oh, whew. I'm going to make dinner.
He's gone. Let's go over there. Be careful.
Ah.
No, no! Aha!
It's a bone!
Hank, are you okay? I can't reach it. I have an idea. No, I'm not tall enough.
Let me do it.
No, no. I have an idea. Okay,
What are you doing?
launch me to the top of the tree. Left, a little to the right. Left, I said left. Here's the egg.
Kiki!
My string lights!
Look, it's the egg.
Oh, it cracked! What should we do?
We still have to give it back.
Dow, are you finished? Dow!
Mommy bird, I'm sorry. Here's your egg. I'm not your mommy! A free cola coupon? Wow! Huh?
Sorry, it's expired.
What? Expired? I didn't drink it yet.
You can't return it because you opened it.
Then I'll go get some money.
I'm afraid that you need to pay before you leave.
What should I do? Aha! I can call Miumiu for help. Cell phone. Now I have a cell phone. Hello? Why is it not working?
Weak signal again.
Weak signal. Signal. No, my phone. Signal. Huh? Miu Miu! Miu Miu! Miu Miu! Miu Miu!
Pay before you leave.
She didn't hear me. What should I do? Huh? I have an idea. Loudspeaker. Miu Miu! Miu Miu!
Please keep your voice down.
Miu Miu.
Thank you, Hank. Here's your money.
Thank you, sir. Call whenever you need me.
Getting money by carrying boxes? I can do that. This is too heavy. What should I do? Aha! Hand cart.
What are you doing here?
I'm trying to help. Look at this. Can you pay me now?
Help? I'm going to send these goods out. They should be in the truck. Oh. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry. I have to go home to get my money. But how can I leave? Contact lenses? I have an idea. Invisible cap. Cap. Invisible. Invisible cap. If I put this on, nobody will see me. Let me give it a try. Ha!
What is it?
Ouch! It really works.
Weird. The bottle didn't hit the ground.
I gotta go.
Look, it's moving by itself. Let's catch it.
It was Kiki!
You again. Stop messing around.
And you haven't paid for it.
You were trying to steal it.
No, I wasn't. I just wanted to go home to get some money. I didn't know that the coupon was expired.
Oh? Now I see.
Don't cry. I'll pay for you.
Wait, look at this. Free. It's a free cola.
What? Free? It was free?
Look, there's something sparkly.
Huh?
Let's go have a look.
Ooh, what's in the cave? It's so amazing. I've got to go bring my master.
Oh, hi, Mr. Dow. What are you doing here?
Huh? Oh, nothing. Just leave me alone. I'm busy.
Oh, let me help you.
No. Just go away.
Oh, be careful. Hey, come and help us.
I'm coming. Thank goodness.
Is everyone okay?
Oh no! We're stuck in this cave. You've messed everything up.
Well, what do we do now?
Wow, come over here.
Wow, it's stunning. What's wrong with you guys? It's a crystal! Ooh!
Mr. Dow, I can help you. Miu Miu, be careful!
What's the red thing down there? It's too hot in here.
Magma. That's magma. We're dead. It's gonna turn me into a hot dog.
I got it! We'll be safe when we can get to the other side. Let's jump across.
Wow! Brilliant!
Let me go first. Hey!
Ah! Haha, we're safe! Mr. Dell, thank you!
Oh no!
Oh, I'm safe too.
Oh no! What have I done? Oh no! What can I do? What do I do now? Master, you'll never see me again. Please help me. Pull me up! Come on!
It's too hot. I'm choking.
I want to go home.
Everybody calm down! Let's go over there. There might be another way out.
Right, let's go.
That's the only way.
It's so hot. Ah! Was I just floating? Miu Miu, come over here.
Hey! Wow, I made it!
Oh. Hey everyone! I think I found a way out!
A way out? That high? Are you going to fly out of the cave?
Fly out? Fly out?
Yeah.
We can fly out of the cave!
Kiki, we'll help you.
How are you going to fly? Turn into a bird?
Take me with you.
Me too! Yay!
We're falling down.
Maybe we're too heavy! Look out,
Too
everyone!
heavy. What do we do?
Too heavy! What do we do? Oh no!
Mr. Dow, throw away the crystal!
No! I can't give up the crystal! Wow! Whoa! It's too hot! Too hot!
Woohoo! We made it!
Where's my crystal? My crystal!